Hello and welcome to the BE1 Flex video tutorial series. Today we're going to be talking about the 60FL function, this fuse loss function. The purpose of the 60FL is to determine whether a loss of voltage measurement is due to a power system loss of voltage or due to a measurement issue either within the BE1 Flex itself or most likely a fuse loss on the potential transformer circuit. Here you see the algorithm, and it's using a combination of symmetrical components of both voltage and current. It also has an option to use breaker status, and that breaker status may or may not be desired based upon the application. To utilize the 60FL, it's simply going to be implemented in most any of the protective options that utilize voltage. So for today's example, we're going to use a 27 undervoltage element. So again, most any voltage element could apply, but I'm going to be using the 27. When I add the function and click source is where I'll start to program it just as I would for a normal voltage set point. Because we're doing the fuse loss algorithm, we're always going to be looking at the phase voltage because it needs 3 phases. And in this particular example, using source of feeder 1. So now when you get into it, the fourth one down, you see block with 60FL. So based upon that setting, that 27 element will be blocked whenever the 60FL algorithm is true. So just a simple setting allows you to either block or unblock any specific element. In addition, if I go into my logic at the bottom, the circuits have the ability to display and export out that fuse loss algorithm status. I can use that to control any other section of logic that I wish, or even just view it via live in Bestcoms Plus metering up top. In addition, on the front side, I have the ability to pull in that breaker status. So on the one line, you had seen the breaker status possibly towards the bottom. If I want to pull in breaker status, the fuse loss algorithm will now be looking at breaker status. And if I don't drive that breaker status input, then it's not. And finally, I have a block function that can be utilized. So if I want to block the 60FL based upon any other external known condition, I can do that for that particular circuit.